Alright, hello everybody. We're at an Arco station somewhere in the region of Anaheim. I believe this actually is Anaheim, but don't quote me on that. We got ourselves a Ryko Softgloss MAXX with very rare International Drying Corporation stealth dryers. They are not seen very often on in-bay automatics. They are mostly in tunnels. NC Swanson's gave me this tip, so credit goes to him for finding it. So let's go see how this wash does. I just ran through Blue Wave Express with the auto polisher from Broadway, so this is not necessarily for cleaning my car, this is just for filming. Oh, it's a Softgloss MAXX 5. Not all that surprising at all. There's a look at our bay. And I love how they must have used to have, they probably used to have a monthly subscription, but instead of removing the decals, I just put the same pricing on the single washes. So apparently they don't have the membership anymore. Probably because it wasn't selling. Top wash is 12, so of course we're going to do that. This thing looks like it has quite a bit of rust or sun damage on it.
Please wait while you're Thank you. Please pull forward.
Oh great. I'm missing my undercarriage, and of course the receipt printer don't work. Okay, let's do it. nice bow this time. One more time, why not? There's no one behind me. Wiper blade's a little bit dry. That was probably like an extra 30 seconds. That is insanely generous dryer time.